Okay, today I'll be showing you how to make an origami resting bird. And you will need a square sheet of paper. We're going to continue our theme of making things you might find in an outdoor scenery or a painting. So you want to start off by folding it in half diagonally. So you get a triangle. And then fold it in half again, creating a smaller triangle. And then you're going to stand up this flap and open this pocket that you see at the top. And then flatten it out into a big diamond shape, bringing this point down to the bottom. And then flip it over. You're going to take this flap and fold it over to the other side. And then stand the flap up, open the pocket all the way, and flatten it into a diamond, bringing this point down to the bottom. So then you should have something that looks like this, a square or a diamond. But we're going to keep these flaps at the bottom of the diamond. And then we're going to fold both sides into the center. And make a really good crease. And then you're going to take this top part here and fold it down. You don't have to make as sharp of a crease. So then you're going to unfold those last three folds back to the square base. Then you're going to lift this bottom part here and push along that back crease there that we made. And then gently work out these folds. And then grab both of these points and pull down, creating a skinnier diamond shape. And then flip it over, and you're going to, again, fold both sides into the center. Make a sharp crease. And then take this top triangle and fold it down. Then unfold back to the larger diamond, and lift this flap, push on that back crease, kind of work out these little folds here, and then take these 2 points and pull them away from each other. Flatten it into a diamond. And make sure the top comes to a point. So then you should have something that looks like this. And then you're going to fold this flap over so it looks like this. And then flip it over and do the same. And then you're going to fold up to the top. And we kind of already have a crease there, so you can just fold up. So you get a triangle, and then flip it over and do the same thing. So then you should have something that looks like this, a big triangle. And then you're going to push those flaps back over on both sides. And then with those parts that we just folded up at the top, we're going to grab those parts inside and pull it out, creating the head, and then do the same over here. And try to pull out the same amount. And then we're going to make the beak area, or the head part, and then you're just going to fold part of this down, very similar to what we did with the paper crane, like that. And then open that up, and then open the side part and push down on it, and reverse these two creases and dip the center in and close it up. So then you should have something that looks like, hang on, I messed up my speak here. Should have something that looks like this. Whatever side you decided to make the head on. So now we're going to fold these wings down, but instead of folding straight down, we want it to start over here by the head and then come down at an angle towards the tail. Flip it over and fold to that point, and it'll be the same crease. So you should have something that looks like this, and then stand the wings up a little bit by opening it up. And this is also called a flapping bird, but when I make this model, sometimes it doesn't always flap. So a way to make, well, it sits up, that's why it's called a nesting bird, or a resting bird, whatever you want to call it. And then to make it flap, you're supposed to be able to pull on the tail, and then they like flap, but it doesn't really work. Only like one of my wings flap, and it doesn't really look very good. So that is the completed nesting bird. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and please subscribe. I lost my other sign. And we'll see you next time. Bye.